Hey y'all, Backwoods-welder here. I promised y'all in the last video that I would make a video about my truck today. I want to start off by saying thank y'all for all your help and everything. I'm still needing more ideas for videos, but I'm going to go ahead and start it off with the truck video. It ain't much. It was my grandpa's truck. A doctor bought it new in '91, and he sold it to my grandpa, and then 8 or 9 years ago, my dad bought it off my grandpa for $2,000. And then when I turned 16, my father handed me the keys to the truck. When I got it, it was bone stock. Everything was there. I've had to do body work and everything on it to get it back to the way it looked factory. It has factory suspension and everything. A lot of the work I've done has been cosmetic work and all that. It ain't much, but it gets me from where I need to go. Everything is factory, except for brush guard. I built it myself and put the lights on. Front suspension is still the twin I-beams. I've been working on getting the side stickers off. The exhaust is a cat back, ran all the way back here to a 3-inch tip. Rear suspension's factory. This was red. I painted it, and I done this when I repainted back here and all around the truck to match, because I had a hole from about here to here that needed to be fixed. I put LEDs for reverse lights. A little dirt there. I painted this Friday to be exact. And I painted this. There was a hole here too that I filled and fixed. I went ahead and painted the gas door and dash and the door handle and the window crank have been splatter painted. What a lot of y'all don't know is it's a '91. It's got a rebuilt transmission. It had reflective tape around the Ford symbols that I did not like, so I went ahead and took them off. It's got 102,300 miles on it. 2 switches on the dash. This one turns on both lap bars, and this one turns the lap bars on. This one turns my spotlights on. They're really great at night, and I love them. I'd show you all the inside of the truck, but it's a mess right now. It's got all my work gear and all that. Painted this, these. The last month I went ahead and peel coated the rims, and over the years I've collected a bunch of decals and stuff. A lot of just random decals. I took the spare tire mount out. so that way I could do my exhaust how I wanted it. In turn, so that exhaust setup didn't work out because I had it dumped over the rear axle. I loved it, sounded amazing, but just didn't look right. So I went back with the factory look and then put an 18-inch long, 3-inch diameter tip on it. It sounds amazing. And it had the old style drop hitch, step hitch. A lot of people call them drop hitches, but I call it a step hitch. I didn't care much for it. It was always in the way. So I went out and to my local Harbor Freight store. And I bought this. It's a 2-inch receiver. And then I had to get that for the fact I haul scrap, and sometimes I need the tongue of the trailer up a little higher, and I can quickly adjust that without changing hitches and all that. I just pull top one pin, jack front of the trailer up, and I can level the trailer better that way. And which later today I've got to go check deer stands, which I would take y'all with me, but I'm not gonna have room on the four-wheeler to take y'all with me, which sucks. But it's got the big 4-liter V6 in it. That's amazing. It's a stock engine. The only thing I've really done to the engine is replace the air filter. I've put LEDs up underneath the dash, and I got some in the grill, which I don't know if y'all will be able to see in the daytime. Get the hood open here. Got a cane in there and all that. Let's see if I can get my LEDs to come on. You might not be able to see them since it's daytime out. But I got 3 strips of LEDs in my grill. You should be able to. Yeah. I got a strip there. You got a strip underneath here and a strip going down there. And I got them all hooked up to the lights inside. The bed, it had this plastic bed liner shit that I hated. And we took it out and used the bare bed. Get set back down here. We used the bare bed for a long time. It started getting scratched up, so I got to repaint it since I did it wrong. And I did a bed liner coating on it, which is peeling, and I don't like. So I'm going to strip the bed back down to pretty much bare metal, unpainted metal, sand it, and scrub it with wire brush till I get it down to bare metal. And I'm going to bed line it and all that. The hole underneath of the truck, all the skid plates, the frames, rocker panels, and everything have been lined with a rubber coating, which all this is rubber coating, and so is this. So as cheap as I can get it a can from Walmart, I can pick up a can and it's a little bit it's a can and a half of regular spray paint to 1 can of rubber coating or bed liner. And I'm going to get a couple cans of that, of the rubber coating, do my bed, and I still got a few spots here and there up underneath the truck I got to do and all that. But I just wanted, and I've got more plans coming for the truck and everything. Just throw my keys in the bed, of course. Get a cigarette here. I've got a lot more plans coming for my old truck, but I just wanted to make this video short, since I promised y'all I'd make one. About my truck, and any questions or comments y'all have about my truck, leave it in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, try to get me out there to where I can get more subscribers and stuff. Get my keys. Let y'all hear the exhaust. Fuel pump go. It sounds, in my terms, it sounds amazing. I have no muffler. I'm pretty much running what people call catback, which take your exhaust from the catalytic converter's back, straight pipe it with no muffler or anything for extra back pressure. So all I'm running is the catalytic converters. And I done the exhaust myself, welded it up, put it together, welded it up, and all that. And I done that all by myself. The next project for my truck is replacing the front shocks. In January I replaced the rear shocks because they needed it. And then the next is probably going to be tires, or if I decide to paint the rest of it, paint more on the paint the truck some more. I don't know what I'm going to do first, but the next thing I do get for my truck will be front shocks, because I need them, because they're going bad, because they're factory. They came factory with the truck. I got a CB in there, my lights for when I'm hauling scrap, and all that. Turn my lights off. And all that, but I thought I'd make a quick video for y'all, since I did say I would make a truck video about my truck. And questions or comments, leave them down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, and drop a like and share the video, and I'll catch y'all later. Love y'all. Thank y'all for all your support and everything. Backwoods-welder out.